Hi all, in this video we will see how to create new employee master fields or how to create your own user defined fields. To create our user defined fields, you have to go to employees, then you have to click on more. Again you have to go to this employees. Under others, you have to click on this create user defined fields. Like as of now in master we have only restricted fields. For example, if you want to create fields like educational qualification, then you can create such fields. Here you have to enter name of the field, type of control. You can select either it should be a text box or it should be a drop down list. If you choose text box, you can directly enter that qualification name, or if you want to create a drop down list, you can choose type of control as drop down list, and whatever should reflect under the drop down you have to add here. Like this, whatever should reflect under drop down you can add here, and once enter the field, then you can select whether it should reflect in F&F report, whether it should reflect for employees, whether we want to make it as a mandatory field, then you can enable this, then that will be a mandatory field, and whether employees can able to edit it or not you can configure here. It should reflect in ad hoc report or not, and should be active. For which all locations is applicable, you have to select those locations and then you have to save it. Now you have to click on new to create one more field. Also you want to create a field for PAN number. Then you can enter that name of field, type of control, you can give text box, and data type you can choose whether it should allow both alpha and numerics or only it should allow numerics, and maximum length you can, if you want you can restrict here. And if this field should be unique, like since PAN number is unique, we should not have duplications in this, you can enable this is unique. It should reflect to employee or not, the same fields you can select. Then you can select for branches and then you have to save it. Once you created these fields, all these fields will reflect under employees, under master. If you click a particular employee, under other info you will able to view all the fields being created under user defined fields. If you have configured as a drop down, it will reflect here like this. If it is a text box, it will ask you to enter that directly. Like this, you can create multiple user defined fields or your own required fields using this user defined fields, and then you can save. This is how you can create additional master fields using user defined fields, where the same will reflect under this other information in the employee master.